This is Anders Larsson, and I would like to share something about jobs that allow you to travel, and I will share some tips for travel photographers. In just a moment, you are going to see the video clip that I created using an amazing tool that I will link to in the comment section below, so check it out. You know, to start a YouTube channel, to earn money online, you must post videos on a regular basis. And this is not easy, because what are you going to talk about? And how are you going to deliver your message so that you get views, likes and subscribers? Well, with this fantastic tool you can repurpose any content online and rephrase it to make it your own as videos. The rest is handled by this tool. I also recommend combining this with a system that allows you to have $1,000 days in your business. However, in order to get there, you have to build your social media presence. At the end of the video, I will go over how I make money online in greater detail. Alright, over to you, Eugene.
Thank you, Anders. Have a talent for shooting fantastic pictures? Being a travel photographer can pay off. As a traveling photographer, there are several methods to monetize your services. On your own website or on stock photography services, you can sell your photographs. Additionally, you may start a photography blog, sell photography-related goods, host photography workshops in various locations, or online, start a Patreon, and more. 10 tips for travel photography. There are things other than a destination and a camera that may make sure you return home with a collection of fantastic pictures, whether you're traveling for a few hours or halfway around the world. Here are 10 suggestions for taking better trip photographs. 1. Keep an eye out for regional cultural events, since these can present fantastic photo opportunity. 2. To save weight and maintain a broad focal range, carry a wide-range zoom, 28-200 mm. Bringing a lot of lenses can make you feel really heavy. 3. Create scene shots in advance. Consider the light, the weather, the lens you should use, and how to frame some intriguing and original photos while you go around. 4. Awaken before the sun rises. At least once, and capture a sight in the early morning light. 5. Especially when there is a language barrier, show the folks you shot the image on the LCD. It increases trust by including people in what you're doing. 6. Use a portable reflector to adjust light, fill up shadows, and brighten colors in the foreground. 7. Purchase a tripod, preferably one that is sturdy, portable, and, when fully collapsed, small. 8. Back up your photos on a portable storage device to save space on memory cards and make sure you have all of the pictures you took when you get home. 9. Keep your lenses and sensors clean by remembering to include a cleaning kit. 10. Gunplay slideshows can be transformed into dynamic, multimedia presentations by adding some video in addition to your still photographs. Alright, over to you, Anders.
Thanks for sharing this, Eugene. Alright, now I want to talk to you about something very important, and that is making investments in ourselves. I'm going to show you that it is not just about starting a YouTube channel and hoping that it will turn into an online business one day. 9 times out of 10, anyone who's gotten anywhere in life significant has accomplished big things for themselves because they decided to invest in themselves. If you were to think about anyone who's gotten anywhere great in life and has achieved anything great for themselves in life, I guarantee you that they will tell you that they definitely invested in themselves. They didn't sit back waiting for someone else to do something for them. They took it upon themselves to make an investment in themselves so that they could in fact get ahead. So someone may start a job at the bottom, but their goal is to work their way up the corporate ladder and reach the top. Do you think they will get to the top by sitting back, hoping, wishing, praying, researching how to get to the top, but never taking any kind of action or waiting for someone else to hand them a promotion? not even close. I knew I had to make a decision at some point to invest in myself, to help me in the furthering of my financial goals. This is what I did in 2019. I decided to invest in myself and joined a system that is now starting to pay me commission. This is what I do, and if you want to start making money online, I highly recommend you check it out. What challenges are you willing to face so that you might triumph over them and serve as a source of motivation for someone else? Are you willing to help another person and be a guide for another? If you are, you know how important value is, the thing that will bring success to your business. I mean, this is a message we need to spread, and this is what we need to do. If you understand this, then you will have no problem doing what I do and recommending your solution to people. If you want to check out my solution, then I will leave a link in the description. That link will take you to my landing page. There you can watch my free video training I made a long time ago. If you want to skip that, click the red button, which will take you to one of the landing pages for the system I use. Here you can get started right away, and you will receive both personal coaching and training to get started with your online business. You will also understand how this high-ticket system will transform you into becoming a 5, 6 or 7-digit earner. You decide if you want to put money into yourself. If you do, then let me know if you need any help. Anyway, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Click the like button if you learned something useful. This will help me get more subscribers on YouTube. If you want more videos like this, then click the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Hey, keep being awesome, take care of yourselves, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.